Alright, got the little Brinks. This is another lock from Xlockpick. Good bitting. Try and keep that pick in there. There it is. A tricky little lock, this one. We'll go on the shelf now. I was just using this little tension wrench that I've had for ages when I bought a set of LockpickTools.com picks, and I always wondered when this thing was going to come in handy, but it seems to work well on this lock. It's got a nice bit of height, stays off the rubber, and just an E-series hook as well. There you go. Thanks for watching.